In one of my first videos, I showed a do-it-yourself hay feeder litter box for the rabbit. And today I'm going to show you how to build one. So if you don't want to spend $50 on a rabbit litter box, or you won't want to have to clean constantly, this particular litter box could go for up to a week without it being maintained. So I'm going to go over all the measurements, and this can be built out of just regular cardboard. I think I used double thickness cardboard for this build here. So first you start with the main base. That piece, excuse the film work here, that piece is 22 inches by 13 1/4. Okay, and so that forms the bottom, and then the right and left hand sides, so that is once again 22. This part over here is 8. That part over there is 5 inches. And this is jutting out 8 inches. Okay, so you build 2 of these, which are the sides. So the sides, they just go up like that. And like that is how those work. Okay, now the other pieces we have here, we have a small piece here. And this piece measures 3.5 inches tall. And that piece just fits over on here so that the tray has something to lean on. Okay. Now, the next pieces we have over here, we have some pieces for that holds the hay bale. So this triangle piece holds up, you tape that down so that it supports, it meets up with this front piece and supports the top. Then you have another piece that goes over the top of that to form a solid base for putting your hay bale. So this piece measures 7.5. Where I have it folded is about 2 inches. This back piece is 8 inches, and all the width is always going to be about 13 1/4. This foldable piece here is 4 inches by 18 inches. Okay, so you've got that, and then we have the rear piece here. So this comes up the rear, and then this makes the lid to close the hay bale, the top of where you put the hay. And so this piece is 21 1/2, where I have it folded there. Once again, excuse the camera work. Is 15 or 16 inches. And then finally, we have this piece. This piece is 5 inches, and this hangs in front of the box to provide a slot, just a thin, like 2-inch slot for the rabbit to access the hay. And this thin slot means that they can't pull all the hay out at once and create a mess. Now the actual litter tray, this comes from Dollar Tree. And the grid I have on here is 5/8 inch metal. And you know, some people really think that that hurts rabbit feet, but in my experience, it doesn't. And that is just tied with wires in the corner here. And I had to use a reciprocating, a universal vibrating saw to cut out the bottom. So you have one of these, put this in the top, and then you have a whole one at the bottom to catch all the poops and the peas. And I just most recently was just using wood shavings in the bottom to absorb the pee. And then finally, we have some sticks. These sticks go into these slots here. And that is what the tray sits on to support it. And these sticks are about 15 inches long and about 1 inch wide. So that's it. If you want to build your own rabbit feeder litter box, that's how you do it.